In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a picture on PowerPoint Circle in just 5 minutes. Opening Microsoft PowerPoint is your first step on this creative journey. Launch the program to get started. Whether you're using this for a professional presentation or a personal project, PowerPoint offers a versatile platform to bring your visual ideas to life. Once PowerPoint is up and running, go ahead and open your file. This might be a presentation you've already been working on, or perhaps a new one you've just started for this particular task. Navigate through your files, select the one you need, and open it up to dive into your slideshow. Now let's get to the exciting part. Head over to the Insert tab located at the top of the PowerPoint window. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to add various elements to your slides, including images, shapes, and of course the feature we're focused on today. After clicking on Insert, look for the Shapes option. Clicking on it will bring up a variety of shapes you can add to your slide. These shapes range from rectangles and circles to arrows and more complex geometrical forms. For our purpose, you're going to choose the oval shape. Don't worry if it looks more like a circle or an ellipse. We can easily adjust it to fit our needs. Once you've selected the oval shape, you'll notice your cursor changes, allowing you to draw the oval on your slide. Go ahead, click, and drag on the slide to create your oval. If you want to make a perfect circle, hold down the Shift key while dragging. The next step involves a bit of a right-click maneuver. Hover over the oval you've just placed on your slide, right-click on it, and a context menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to find and click on Format Shape. This opens a new window or pane, depending on your version of PowerPoint, giving you access to numerous customization options for your shape. In the Format Shape pane or window, look for the Picture or Texture Fill option. Choosing this will transform your shape into a vessel for any image, allowing your oval to host a picture instead of just being a solid color or gradient. Once you've selected Picture or Texture Fill, it's time to bring your picture into the mix. You'll see an option to Insert in the Picture Source section. Clicking on this will prompt you to browse through your computer's files. Navigate through your folders and find the photo you want to showcase in your circle. Select your desired photo and voila, your oval now beautifully displays your chosen picture. But here's the magic. Since you've drawn an oval but selected a circle by holding the Shift key, your picture will conform to this shape, perfectly encapsulating your image within a circle on your slide. This process offers not only a way to creatively present images, but also adds a level of professionalism to your slides that standard rectangular pictures might not convey. Circles can soften the visual impact and integrate seamlessly with your slide's overall design, enhancing the viewer's experience. Remember, the key to a successful PowerPoint presentation is not just the information you convey, but also how you present it. Using shapes like circles for your pictures can add an interesting dynamic to your presentation, making it more engaging and memorable. As you've seen, PowerPoint is more than just slides and bullet points. It's a comprehensive tool that allows for creativity and personalization. With the steps we've covered today, you can transform any ordinary presentation into something visually appealing and professional. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Experiment with different shapes and images. PowerPoint's format shape options are vast, and playing around with them can offer unique perspectives on how to present your content. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to make a picture on PowerPoint Circle. I hope these tips help enhance your presentations and bring your ideas to life in compelling and visually engaging ways. Whether for work, school, or personal projects, the skills you've learned today will surely set your presentations apart.